Mansi Kaushik, student of class 9 from Javed School, Pushkar. Today I present a PowerPoint presentation on the topic that is drainage. So before we start to know about drainage, first talk about the intro of the topic. So the topic is taken from class 9 Geography book chapter 3, drainage. So let's start. There is a single river that is drainage basin, and the world largest drainage basin is the Amazon River. You may see. And the India's largest drainage basin is the Ganga River basin.
Hello everyone, myself Khushbu from class 9 and today I am presenting a presentation on chapter 6 population. So let's get started. India's population as on March 2011 stood at 1210.6 million, which accounts for 17.5% of the world's population.
I am Aditi Parisha of class 9 and today I am presenting a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on the topic the physical features of India, which is the chapter 2 in our geography textbook. So let's begin. 2,400 km and the width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. It means that from here, from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, the Himalayas form an arc of 2000. We will read about the longitudinal extent on the parallel ranges. The northernmost range is the Great. In the previous slide, we got to know that here is the Himadri, then the Shivaliks, then here these lower range is known as Shivaliks. So in the Shivalik and the northern plain which extend between Ghaggar and Teesta river are known as Ganga pools. Like here are the Ghaggar and the Teesta. So between these two, the plain
Of India, the Himalaya mountains, the other plains and the peninsula of Fiji, the Indian desert and the coastal plains and the islands. First we have a mountain, the Himalaya mountains. These mountains run in the west to east direction from Indus to Brahmaputra. The mountains cover a distance about.
The third is Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau, also known as Deccan Plateau, it is a large triangle-shaped plateau in India, composed of ancient, igneous and metamorphic rock, and bounded by the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. The plateau is triangular, broad in the north and narrow in.
Good morning, my name is Ishwan Parashar from class 9. Today I am presenting PPT on physical features of India. The Northern Plains. The Northern Plains has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. The Northern Plains is broadly divided into three sections: the Punjab Plains, the Ganga Plains, and
My name is Vijaya. Today I am presenting the PowerPoint on natural vegetation and wildlife. So it's first, flora and fauna. Difference between flora and fauna. Flora is term used to denote plant of a particular region.
Tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrub, mountain forest and mangrove forest.
There are two groups of Indian islands, the Lakshadweep and the Andaman and Nicobar. The Lakshadweep. This group of islands is composed of small polar islands. Earlier they were known as Lakadweep, Minikoy and Amindi. In 1973, these were named.
Good morning all of you. I am Chandan Guru from class 9. Today I am presenting a PPT. Let's start.
Celebration of chapter 5 natural vegetation and wildlife. Let's start. Natural vegetation and wildlife. These things are explained in this chapter. Types of vegetation, natural vegetation or wildlife, flora, fauna and biodiversity.
Good morning all of you. My name is Yuvraj Parashar from class 9. My topic is natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation. The natural vegetation refers to the plant community which has grown naturally without the human aid and has been left undistributed by the human for the long time. This term is the 5 major types of vegetation. First is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and shrubs, mountain forest and mangrove forest.
Mount Everest 98,008.
Good morning all of you. My name is Kushesh Parashar from class 9 from JNS School Pushkar. Today I am presenting a presentation. My topic is population.
Mountain forest and rainforest. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of the western Mars and the islands groups of the Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar. And upper parts of the Assam and Tamil Nadu coast, the region warm and the western throughout the years. It was a linear vegetation to all kinds there, shrubs and creepers.
From class 9. Today I present my PPT of chapter 2 in geography, physical features of India. Major physical divisions. There are 6 major physical divisions. First is the Himalayan mountains, second is the northern plains, third is the peninsular plateau, fourth is the Indian desert, fifth is the coastal plains, and sixth is the northern plains. There are the 3 largest alluvium plains in the world formed by the deposition of slate.
All of you, my name is Nita Karshan. I am in class 9 from Janita School. So, presentation, geography, chapter 6 and population. So, let's start. So, world population. So, India is 70.5% and other countries is 41.2%. So, let's start starting. Uttar Pradesh 60%, Maharashtra 9%, Bihar 9%, West Bengal 8% and Rajasthan 6%.
Good morning all of you. My name is Jyotsna from class 9. First, India desert. India desert leads towards the western migrants of the Arabic Gate central plains covered with sanddunes.
There are major physiographic divisions. The Himalayan mountain, northern plain, peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the island, the coastal plain. The Himalayan mountain. Young and Kerala region 400 km, whereas width in Arunachal Pradesh is 150 km.
Good morning all of you. My name is Anuj Sharma from 9th class. Today presentation natural vegetation and wildlife. So let's start. Type of vegetation: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrub, mountain forest and mangrove forest.
Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest, also known as monsoon forest, thrive in regions with a distinct wet and dry season, receiving annual rainfall between 70 and 200 cm. Thorn forest.
Flora and fauna. Difference between flora and fauna. Flora is term used to denote plant of a particular region. Flora consists of plant, grass, creepers and trees. About 47,000 plant species are found in India. Almost evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, mountain forest and mangrove forest.
With the Himalayas mountain, the Himalayas consist of the 3 major ranges in its longitude extent. The great old Himalayas, called the Himalayas, the middle old lesser Himalayas, called the Himachal, the outer Himalayas, called the Shivaliks. Second part of the northern plains. The northern plains has been formed by the interplay of the 3 major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, The northern plains is totally divided into 3 sections: the Punjab plains, the Ganga plains, the Brahmaputra plains. Third topic.
That has grown naturally without any human aid or any interference. This is termed as pigeon vegetation. So it includes flora and fauna. Now we discuss about flora. Flora is the term used to denote the plants of the particular region or area. India has about 47,000 species of plants and 50,000 flowering plants, which comprises 6% of the world's total. And there are many non-flowering plants such as ferns.
It refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by human for a long time, which means human does not interrupt it. Second, what is flora and fauna? First, flora. Flora is the term used to denote a plant of a particular region. Flora consists plants, grass, trees and creepers. About 47,000 plant species are found in India. Fauna. Fauna is a term used to denote the animals of a particular region. Fauna consists 3 types: terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, aerial animal. And about 90,000 animal species are found in India.
Deciduous forest found in India having rainfall 70 to 200 centimeter These forests are generally formed in regions that have rainfall between 70 to 100 centimeter. These forests mostly occupy the North India and South region of the Deccan Plateau and also found in the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. The second type is moist deciduous. These type of forests are found in the region that receive an annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter. Trees drop their leaves during the spring and early summer, and these forests occupy a much larger area than the evergreen forest. These are found in the hills of eastern Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh.
Climate is a sum of total all the weather, condition and variation. The world is divided into number of climate regions. The climate of India is described as a monsoon climate. Climate and weather. Climate. The climate is a weather condition over a long period of time, usually more than 30 years in a given region. Weather. The weather is an atmosphere of given time and place. Climate controls. There are 7 major controls of climate and various: latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief feature.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you.